Hello guys, welcome back. Myself Manish Mittal from SURAJ Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. SURAJ School, where every child is special. On behalf of SURAJ School, today I start my new topic. My topic name is trial balance. Trial balance. What do you mean by trial balance? Trial balance is a statement. It is a statement prepared with the debit and credit balance of ledger account, which is prepared with the debit and credit balance of ledger account to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books of account, through which we can check arithmetical accuracy of the book of account. Arithmetical mistake can check through the trial balance. Dear friends, in first chapter I told you about the accounting cycle. What is the accounting cycle? First of all, transaction. Then after through transaction we prepare journal. Through journal we prepare ledger. Through ledger we prepare trial balance. And at the end we prepare financial statement. Then after again transaction. In this chapter, through ledger we prepare trial balance. This step through ledger. In last chapter I teach you about the ledger. Today I teach you about the trial balance. If journal and ledger are given, then through ledger balance we can easily prepare trial balance. How can we prepare trial balance through ledger balance? First of all, I told you about the format of trial balance. Different format of trial balance. It is a format of trial balance. Dear students, in this question is very lengthy question, so I need much space for this. First column serial number. Second column name of account. Third column ledger folio. Fourth, debit balance. It's credit balance. Yes, dear students, serial number, name of account, ledger folio, debit balance and credit balance. If ledger are given, then all the debit balance of ledger written in the debit column balances and credit balance written in the credit balance column. And if we match the total, both debit and credit total will be same. But if you have balances of account, then you should know about the balance. Which account have debit balance and which account have credit balance. So first of all, I told you which account have debit balance, which account have credit balance. Debit balance. All assets have debit balance, just like land, building, plant, machinery, furniture, computer, typewriter, motor car, investment, etc. Fixed deposit, etc. All of these have debit balance. Land, building, plant, machinery, furniture, computer, typewriter, motor car, etc. These have debit balance. Drawing also have debit balance. And all expenses, just like rent, salary, commission, carriage, cartage, insurance, etc. All of these have the debit balance. Which account have the credit balance? Credit balance. All liabilities have credit balance, just like loan, They don't loan liability. Loan from any party liability. loan to any party, loan to assets, all liabilities, loan, creditor, bills payable, outstanding expense, income received in advance, bank overdraft, etc. All of these are the liabilities and these have credit balance. Capital. Capital also have credit balance. All income. Rent received, interest received, dividend received, commission received. All of these have the credit balance. Gentlemen, all of these have the credit balance. Again, you should remember capital credit balance, but capital interest, liability interest for business expense, and expense have debit balance. So interest on capital, interest on bank overdraft, bank overdraft. These are the liabilities for the expense for the business. These have debit balance. Here, interest on drawing, interest on drawing, interest on investment, these have the income and have credit balance. Dear students, you should remember it. Now, I will take a practical problem from your books. Problem number 2. Let's come on the blackboard. Problem number 2. Dear students, problem number 2. Yes. Page number 14.27, problem number 2. From the following balance taken from the book of Messrs. Dwarka Prasad and Sons as at 31st March 2017. Then you should write here. Students, you should write here trial balance, trial balance, as at date 31st March 2017. Yes, first number, cash. Cash is our assets. Assets have debit balance. Cash 4,500. Next, bank overdraft, liability, and liability have credit balance. Bank overdraft 8,000. Next, opening stock assets. Assets have debit balance 20,000. Dear student, you should remember opening stock assets debit balance. Closing stock does not shown in the trial balance. Closing stock never shown in the trial balance. Next, purchases. Purchases, expense have debit balance. Purchase return, purchase debit, purchase return credit 2,000. Sales, income credit 1,30,000. Sales return, sales credit and sales return debit 5,000. Traveling expense, it's expense and expense have debit balance 1,800. Discount allowed expenses, debit balance. Discount received, income credit balance. Machinery assets debit balance 24,000. Land and building assets debit balance 50,000. Debtor also assets debit balance 18,400. Creditor liability 8,500. Bills receivable assets debit balance 2,850. Bills payable liability have credit balance 1,650. Capital credit balance liability, internal liability 60,000. Drawing debit balance 6,000. Rent and salary. Dear students, for space column I write down in one column rent and salary. Both are the expenses. They have debit balance. These are 7,300. Loan liability credit balance. Loan liability interest on loan expense debit balance 1,200. If you do not have done any arithmetical mistake, then your both debit and credit side will be equal. Let's start the total 0, 5, 0 to 5, 13, 17, 23, 31, 36. 3 carry. 4, 11, 17, 19, 27, 31, 32, 37, 41. 4 carry. 5, 5, 10 to 12, 20, 22. 2,21,650, 0, 5, 11, 60. 2, 10, 11, 13, 21, 2 carry. 3, 9, 12, 1 or 1, 2. 2,21,650. Your both debit and credit balance are equal, then your question is right. Dear student, I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel.